Hey everyone, this is Dylan from Ed279. Today I'll be giving a product review on Loopy. So learning the correct flow of a system or how they are broken down can be pretty challenging. To me, everybody learns better when they have a visual representation to look at. This software lets you draw out your own examples to better explain a food web that would work in a certain ecosystem or maybe even a cooling system in a vehicle. The interactive tool can be used on a computer, phone, smartphone, or tablet, and can be presented on a smartboard or TV for classroom purposes. Students can work in groups to build on one product at the same time, or the teacher can create one product for the lesson. Playing around with it, I realized it's simple enough for someone who is non-tech savvy to be able to use it. It is very interactive where you just draw circles and arrows and just label it after. This app allows you to create or remix other simulations, where you can add on or delete with other people. You can share simulations with others, and you can also program by drawing, which makes it very simple. This app can be found at this website up at the top. For me, I intend on teaching social studies in either middle school or high school. I always liked and valued history, where it teaches us why things are now. However, understand history can get pretty boring and complex, especially when you're trying to learn about political and government systems like checks and balances. So I feel the Loopy app will be very helpful and entertaining for giving a visual diagram for the lesson of my future students. Thank you, everybody. You guys have a good one.